Welcome to the class of estimation, costing and specification students. So in the previous class we were solving a numerical example on long wall and short wall method of a two room building thing, and we have calculated the first three steps. That is nothing but we have calculated the quantity of earthwork in excavation, and we have calculated the quantity of concrete in the foundation, and the quantity of brickwork in foundation and plinth. Okay, this was our previous class, and in this class we'll be finding the quantity of DPC and brickwork in superstructure after deductions. This 4 and 5, step 4 and 5 will be done in this class. Okay, so let us start from DPC. What do we mean by DPC? DPC is dam proof course. So let us take the quantity of DPC. Here we have particulars. Here we have numbers. Okay, length, breadth, height, quantity, remarks. Okay, so what we have? Fourth one, DPC 2.5 centimeter thick. Okay, the breadth is already given to us, or we can take it as height. This 2.5 centimeter which is given to us is nothing but this 2.5 centimeter is our height. Okay, 2.5 centimeter is our height. So we'll neglect this height criteria. We will see what should be the length of long wall and in short wall. Okay, how many long walls we have? We have 2 long walls and we have about 3 short walls. Okay, we have 2 long walls and 3 short walls. In remarks, the length of DPC will be same as length of DPC is same as length of plinth. Okay, so in previous class we have found out the length of short wall and length of long wall. What is the length of short wall? 11. Length of long wall in plinth is how much? 11. Okay, this 11 we'll write it over here. Okay, so again in the plinth thing, the length will be 5.90 for short wall. 5.90. So write it down as 5.90. Understood? As length is same for plinth wall in 3. We have got this length of DPC. It is not OPC. It is DPC is same as length of plinth from particular 3. Okay. What is the breadth? Breadth is same as the thickness of plinth. What is the thickness of plinth? Thickness of plinth. As we know that plinth is 0.4 meters wide. Okay, as height is already given, that we won't write height. Okay, we won't write height over here as it is pre-mentioned 2.5 centimeter. Now what we need to do? Just we need to multiply the quantities. 2 into 11 into 0.4. It is 8.80 meter square and 7.08 meter square. If we add this total, we get the value around 15.88. And from this value of 15.88, what we need to do is we need to deduct. What we need to do? From this value of 5.88, we need to deduct door widths, as we won't place DPC on the doors. As you can see over here, how many doors we have? We have 2 doors. 1, 2. So from DPC, what we need to do? We need to deduct this 2 width. What is the width of the door? We can get it from here. What is the width of the door? 1.20 meter. 1.20 meter is nothing but our width of the door. So what we need to do? We need to deduct this 1.20 into 2. How many doors we have? We have 2 doors. And what is the width of one door? 1.20 meter is the width of one door. So what we need to do? We need to make the deductions. So in remarks, we write it as deduct doors. Deduct doors. How many doors we have? We have 2 doors. Okay. What is the length or breadth? 1.20 meters. Okay. Thickness of the wall. What is the width of the wall? 0.3 is the thickness. Sorry, here we will be taking the thickness of plinth, which is nothing but 0.4. Thickness of plinth is 0.4. So 2 into 1.20 into 0.4. Height is predefined. So it is 0.96. So what we need to do? We need to subtract net DPC. Net DPC quantity in meter square will be 15.88 minus 0.96. The value will be 14.92 meter square. This is nothing but quantity of DPC which we have to use. This is the net quantity of DPC. So after this, the last step is to determine. What is our last step? Last step is to determine brickwork in superstructure. 5th one. Okay. Brickwork in superstructure. Again, fill the tables, particular, numbers, length, breadth, height, quantity, remarks. Okay. What we have? Brickwork in superstructure. Brickwork in superstructure. Okay, again similarly long wall and short wall. Long wall. How many long walls we have? We have 2 long walls. Short wall. 3 short walls we have. Okay. 3 short walls we have. How to calculate length? Center to center length plus 1 breadth, which is nothing but center to center length is for long wall 11.6 plus 0.3, 10.6, sorry. What is center to center length? 10.6 plus 1 breadth. What is 1 breadth? 0.3. It stands at 10.9. So write down 10.9 over here. The breadth is 0.3. Similarly, this is for long wall. For short wall, center to center length is how much? 6.3 is the center to center length. Go to the previous slide and you can see over here. What is the center to center length of short wall? 6.3 meters we have. So 6.3 meters minus 1 breadth. How we are getting this 0.3? It is nothing but thickness of wall. Or width of the wall. So it stands at 6 meters. How much it is? 6 meters. It is 0.3. Height will be given in the figure. What is the height of the brickwork? 4 point. As you look at the diagram, how much it is given? 4.20 meters. meters. 4.20 meters. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply this. 2 into 10.9 into 0.3 into 4.20. The value is 22.42. .47 meter cube, and this 22.68 meter cube. The total will be, if we add this to 50.15 meter cube. 50.15 meter cube. Now from this value 50.15, what we need to deduct? We need to deduct from this value 50.15 what we need to deduct? Door openings, windows and shelves. These 3 doors, windows and shelves quantities should be deducted from this total to get the net value, to get net quantity, So let us deduct this, and lintels also. The fourth one which we need to include is lintels. Lintels, where we will place lintels? Over the windows, over the doors and windows. Doors, windows and shelves. Okay, so let us calculate the deductions. Particular length, breadth, height, sorry, it is numbers, length, breadth, height, quantity and remarks. So first what we will deduct? This is nothing but deductions. The first is door openings. How many door openings we have? We have 2 door openings. What is the width of the door? You can see 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters is the width and 2.10 is the height. What is the length? 1.2 meters is the length. What is the height, man? 2.10. What will be the breadth? Breadth will be equal to the thickness of the wall, which is nothing but 0.3, which is 0.3. If we multiply all this, we will get the value as, if we multiply all this, we will get the value as 1.51. What we will get? 1.51. Next, windows. Openings. How many windows we have? Look at the plan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 windows we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 windows we have. And what are the dimensions? 1 into 1.5 meters. 1 into 1.5 meters. So, how many windows? 4 windows. We have 4 windows. Dimensions 1 into 1.5. What is the thickness? Same. Thickness of wall 0.3. If you multiply this, 4 into 1 into 0.3 into 1.5, we will get the value as 1.8. Okay. After that, we have shelves. Okay. How many shelves we have? There is a little bit logic over here in the shelves. So, how many shelves we have? We have about 2 shelves, which you can see in the figure. This is 1, this is 2. The quantity as 2, and if you look at over here, the shelves is not along the total width of the wall. It is not along the total. Its thickness is not 0.3. There is a some setback left over here in the wall after the shelf. So, the thickness is 1 into 1.5 and the width will be 0.2. The width will be 0.2. 1.5 is the given dimensions. So, how many shelves we have? We have 2 shelves. Length is how much? 1 into 1.5. This thickness will be not 0.3, instead we have 0.2, because the shelves will be having some portion of the wall, from that will be raising, the shelves will be coming out. Okay. If we multiply this 2 into 1 into 0.2 into 1.5, we will get the value as 0.6. Okay. Have you got this? So, the next we have lintels. The next deductions are for lintels. Lintels for door. Quantity, how many doors? 2 doors. Okay. So, what will be the length? This everything will be same, just length will be changing. The breadth will be as a thickness of wall 0.3 and the standard height of the lintels is 0.15. See, length of lintels is door, length of door is 1.2 plus on either side of the door. Suppose imagine this is our door. So, our lintel will be placed like this. So, each side extension of 0.15, we call it as a bearing. Bearing of 0.15 meters will be laid. So, 1.2 plus 0.3, it is nothing but 1.5. Understood? So, lintels for door 2, 1.2 2 into 1.5 into 0.3 into 0.15. This quantity will be 0.14. Okay, same lintels for windows. How many windows we have? 4. Length is 1 plus 0.3. It is 1.3. Thickness is same, 0.3. Okay, the bearing will be as height will be the constant one, 0.15. So this value stands at 0.23. Lintels for shelves. How many shelves we have? 2 shelves. Again 1 plus 0.3. Here same 1.3. Thickness will be all over the wall, 0.3. This is 0.15. Thickness, standard thickness 0.12 we have. If we add all this, total of all these quantities, is 4.40 meter cube. So net quantity of brickwork. So therefore we can write it over here. Therefore net quantity of brickwork in superstructure is, earlier what we have got, 50.15 minus 4.40, which is equal to, if we subtract this 2, we will get 45.75. This is the answer of your 5th particular. So successfully what we have done, we have calculated all the 5 items. Let us recall once again. As you know that we have given a 2-story 2-room building. For 2-room building, what we need to do, we need to determine the earthwork in excavation, in foundation, concrete in foundation, brickwork in foundation and plinth, damp proof course 2.5 centimeter, brickwork in superstructure. Okay, so what we need to do is, first we have found out the earthwork in excavation. We have found out the center to center length of long wall and short wall, which will be using all along the problem, and the number of long walls and number of short walls. Earthwork in excavation, there is no deductions. Concrete in foundation also we have found out the quantities. The next, brickwork in foundation in long wall and short wall, all together we have got it as 26.10 meter cube. After that we have found out the quantity of DPC. From the quantity of DPC we have deducted the amount, the quantity of DPC which will be not placing along the doors. So net we have got 14.92 meter square. So again, in brickwork in superstructure, first we have determined it for total quantity, and from total quantity we have deducted door openings, window openings, shelves, lintels over doors, lintels over windows and lintels over shelves. So altogether the final deductions, the quantity of brickwork in superstructure, we have got it as 45.75 meter cube. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.